This century that we live in was made possible by developments in modern science and technology. But such developments also cause larger and more dangerous accidents and disasters. And this is why we need innovations to make our world into a safer, more beautiful place. To meet the needs of the times, Kang-un FineX aims to create a safer world through top-class technologies and continued research and development. Our automated solid aerosol fire extinguisher FineX was developed by Kang-un using its cutting-edge technology in the field of defense and aerospace industries. This fire extinguisher system makes use of highly concentrated fire extinguishing chemicals generated by combusting solid materials developed from rocket booster technology. It is especially effective in curbing fires in their initial stage. FineX operates automatically upon sensing electric signals or temperature increases in the surrounding areas. The potassium contained the fire-extinguishing chemicals generate positive ions that fuse with negative ions in the heat, such as hydrogen or hydroxide, which leads the fire to be extinguished. FineX is classified into standalone, connected, and electric types. Standalone extinguishers come in various capacities based on the size of the firefighting area. It can execute the full range of firefighting tasks, from detecting fire to extinguishing fires, all without separate detectors, power supplies, or signal devices. Connected fire extinguisher detects heat through FineX proprietary power generator. The detected signal is sent to multiple fire extinguishers to fight fires, which allows this type of product to extinguish fires without a separate fire control panel or power supply. The electric type works when fire control panel connected to heat, smoke, and fire senses detect a fire outbreak. The system sends electric signals to the FineX fire extinguisher to fight fire. FineX's exclusive fire control panel is highly interoperable with other various pre-existing control panels. The electric type FineX is optimal for detecting and fighting fire in various ways, thanks to its connection with multiple FineX fire extinguishers. FineX is the smallest and lightest fire extinguishing system in existence. It is a solid aerosol fire extinguisher that is superior to and differentiated from all other gas fire extinguishers. FineX is an eco-friendly system that does not affect the global warming or the ozone layer in any manner. Thanks to its mesh particle distribution, no residues remain after FineX is used. Its ultra-low connectivity make it especially adaptive to high-cost facilities such as electric panels, electric circuit boards, communications equipment, and electric facilities. Unlike other halon alternatives, the chemicals used by FineX do not generate toxic byproducts such as hydrogen fluoride. FineX does not remove oxygen while extinguishing fires or create fluoride and chlorine. FineX has fire extinguishing concentration of 65 grams per cubic meter, which is much superior to halon 1301, with a concentration of 330 grams per cubic meter, and the lowest of all commercial fire extinguishing chemicals. In a laboratory of 34.72 cubic meters, N-heptane is ignited in a 50 by 50 centimeter pan. After the substance burns for 30 seconds, FineX begins operating, extinguishing the fire with 2.25 kilograms of chemicals. 3 minutes and 30 seconds after igniting high-molecule polymers such as ABS, PP, and PMMA in a laboratory of 27 cubic meters, FineX begins operating and uses 1.94 kilograms of fire-extinguishing chemicals to effectively put out the flames. In addition to its superb extinguishing capabilities, FineX was designed to always work optimally under any installation and storage conditions. It can display maximum performance even in ultra-low temperature of negative 40 degrees Celsius, high heat and high humidity, as well as vibrating environment of engine rooms or power generators. Because FineX does not require separate pressurized containers, projection devices, or pipes, its initial installation cost is minimal. Costs can be further since regular maintenance is unnecessary. In addition, installation and relocation is easy and anyone can handle this system. FineX is the smallest and the lightest fire extinguishing system in existence. Its chemicals can be stored in a space 40 times smaller than what inert gases require, and it has only 10% of the weight of other firefighting systems. Kang-un FineX's products can be applied to a variety of fields. FineX can be used in various fields such as petrochemical industry, semiconductors, chemical industry, gas production and distribution, industrial plant and production of industrial equipment, EPS, TPS, ADPS, conditioning equipment in buildings, substation, transformer room, power generator room, cable room, underground power cables, switchboard, panel board, and other electric facilities. Research labs with experiment hoods or experiment devices, computer room, equipment room, data management, control room, communications equipment room, electric facilities room with communication server racks, oil storage, gas stations, pumping room, laboratory, and other hazardous material facilities. Museums, art galleries, document and artifact storage, and libraries storing important data or works, bus, special vehicles, racing vehicles, engine rooms, freight rooms, and other automobile, ship, and aviation fields, fighter jets, bombers, helicopters, armored vehicles, tanks, warships, and other military equipment, laboratories, paint rooms, and other places that can handle hazardous and combustible materials. Cutting-edge FineX technology is already used in major Korean construction, IT, manufacturing, energy companies, as well as government and military institutions. Kang-un FineX was first established as Kang-un Industrial Company Limited in 1979. Kang-un's technology and management capabilities were recently recognized by chemical gunpowder leaders such as Hanwha, which allowed us to advance into the fire extinguishing industry. Kang-un's unique technologies acquired Korean and overseas patents, as well as Korea Fire Institute certification, and the company won the 100 Quality Patented Product Award, the Best Product Award in the Korea Safety Award. Kang-un FineX focuses on environmental protection, and it is continuing to evolve into a global safety service company that contributes to a safe society based on its world-best technology, consistent quality innovation, and trust from its clients. Kang-un FineX develops eco-friendly fire extinguishers and firefighting systems based on continued R&D, challenge, and cutting-edge technologies. We are a global innovation company that creates new possibilities through creative thinking in this rapid changing times. High-tech firefighting technology, Kang-un FineX.